Risk determination is the cornerstone of an effective inspection program. In industrial environments, understanding how and why we assess and manage risk is critical to maintaining safety, reliability, and regulatory compliance. Following API Recommended Practice 580, Section 12, let's explore the essential elements that shape a robust risk-based inspection program. Every assessment begins with purpose. Why do we embark on risk determination and management? The answer: to minimize uncertainty, allocate resources effectively, and ensure that assets operate safely and profitably. By clarifying intent, we align inspection activities with organizational objectives and regulatory standards. How do we determine risk? We start by identifying hazards, estimating the likelihood of failure, and quantifying potential consequences. This process combines both qualitative and quantitative methods, integrating engineering judgment, statistical data, and historical performance. The goal is a consistent, reproducible assessment that supports objective decision-making. But what level of risk is acceptable? Acceptable risk is not universal. It depends on industry standards, company policies, and societal expectations. Often, risk matrices are used to visualize these thresholds. By defining tolerable risk levels, organizations can make informed choices about risk reduction strategies and resource prioritization. Risk models depend on assumptions. Every input, from material properties to environmental conditions, carries a degree of uncertainty. It is vital to document each assumption, understand its impact, and review it regularly. This transparency ensures that stakeholders can interpret results in context and adjust plans as conditions change. Sensitivity analysis reveals how much our risk estimates depend on individual variables. By systematically challenging input data and model parameters, sensitivity studies illuminate which assumptions have the greatest effect on outcomes. This process helps refine risk priorities and focus mitigation efforts where they matter most. Risk is only meaningful when communicated clearly. Effective risk presentation involves summarizing results in accessible formats, such as heat maps, charts, or comparative tables. These visuals enable decision-makers to grasp complex information quickly, promote understanding, and drive action based on evidence. Defining risk thresholds is essential for guiding risk management decisions. Thresholds distinguish between acceptable, manageable, and unacceptable risks. By establishing clear criteria, organizations ensure consistency and reduce ambiguity in inspection and mitigation plans. Success in risk determination, assessment, and management comes from discipline and best practices. Key factors include using validated data, regularly updating risk models, fostering a culture of transparency, engaging cross-functional expertise, and supporting continuous improvement. By adhering to these principles, organizations embed risk management deeply into their operations, reducing surprises and enhancing reliability across the asset lifecycle. Ultimately, mastering risk determination is not about eliminating uncertainty, it is about managing it with confidence and clarity. With a solid grasp of the methods and principles outlined in API 580, practitioners are equipped to build, evaluate, and improve risk-based inspection programs that safeguard people, the environment, and business performance.